this next block for Kay's quilt, mine, is from Quilting Daily, and it's the Applique Flower Block. So if you put that in on your browser, you'll get this pattern and template. It's an applique and it's a flower, and this is absolutely gorgeous flower, and it would suit the colours that I've got for my quilt. So once you've got your templates downloaded, I've done applique before, and you can find tutorials on YouTube of other appliques, other people doing that. This is what you end up with. Now I haven't ironed it on yet, yeah, this is another block with the colours I'm using. It's absolutely beautiful, and I think it looks really good. That's their version, and that's using my colours on my version. Obviously I haven't got yellow in my quilt, so I'm not using the yellow on the front, I'm just using the grey spot. So there you go, that's another block, that's applique, and you download the pattern and the templates from Quilting Daily, and it's called Applique Flower Block. You will get these patterns to trace around onto your fabric, and then put your glue side interfacing. Now I'm going to put my iron on, and I'm going to press these in order. So what I should do is, now I've got it the way I want it, I should take these top ones off and press them down first. Then I will put these on one at a time, press that one on, and so on and so on until the end. So let's do that next. So then once you've pulled off all your paper, your backing paper from your applique, and then placed it directly copying your pattern, whereas as you can see where the light green is showing some of the dark green underneath. So once you've got it all right, you can actually pull them up a little bit more if you wished. Just get it to where exactly where you wish it to be. So the quadrant probably not quite in, far up a little bit. So you've got the same distance from your green to your light edges probably, and you've got it exactly how you want it to be. And I think looking straight from the back, that's absolutely fine. I'm quite happy with that. Then obviously just put your iron straight onto the middle to secure it all into place, and whatever your instructions are with your interfacing, your glued interfacing. But whatever you do, don't move your iron, because then you'll move your pieces out of the way. Obviously it's got to go through enough thicknesses, you've got to leave it on long enough to penetrate to the green that's underneath the red. There you go. And just keep doing that until you're 100% sure that you've started the glue off to actually fit. For some reason that's not, that's why, because all the paper hasn't come off that one, so that's why it won't stick. So I did that in 2 sections because I ran out of paper on the edge. So now it should, if I put that on there, glue it down. That's it. And then turn over to help with the back, warm the back up. That's it. I've done a 14-inch block background, but that's what it tells you to do. And obviously then you can either come right down and do 12 or 12 and a half, or you could leave it as is and do a 14-inch block. I'm quite happy with that. There you go. Now what you have to do now is sew it all the way around, whichever pattern or design or stitch that you would like to do. But that's another block, and that follows the, and I'll repeat it again, it's Quilting Daily Applique Flower Block, and it's that one, and I happen to really like that one. And thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come on back and we'll have more videos. Thank you. Bye bye, love.